My video discussion, or not a video discussion, I'm doing a video for my topic, natural disasters, and so my question was, what are some natural disasters and how do natural disasters form and what are some comparisons and differences? So first of all, I want to show you that I have an awesome slideshow here. I really like his first picture because right here it's showing you like a flood or a monsoon, and right here it's showing you like a maybe tsunami, and right here it's showing you kind of like a sandstorm and a volcanic eruption. And then here it's showing a volcanic eruption. Then this is a no, not a tsunami. I forgot. Let me go see. Not a tornado. That picture I just showed you. Here. It's taking. This might take a while because it's definitely not the internet might be down. This is a hurricane, the picture I just showed you. It was a hurricane. So I have a picture of a hurricane right here. Then this is one of my favorite pictures because it's really big and it's showing 2 tornadoes forming with 3 lightning strikes, which I really like. And then this one is a really cool tornado picture. Also this one, it's a monsoon. It's either most likely to be a monsoon, but maybe be a flood, and this one is just a flood. So probably, as you can see, this is rushing water, so this is more likely to be a monsoon. So I'm gonna teach you how they form now. And as you can see, once I get this rolling, sorry, the internet must be down right now. Okay, so as you can see, I put the link where I got my stuff from, where I got my facts from, and where I learned it from. So, and I might show you this video because I really like this video. It's a pretty good video, and maybe these two, but I'll either only show. I might show these two and that one because they're really cool. So I'll start with this video. Oh, I guess I can't because the thing I'm using, QuickTime Player, is putting a background music to it, and it's not going to be okay for you guys to hear. So I guess I'm not going to be able to do that. So, but I suggest for you guys to check all these videos out, not just those, all these videos out because I really like them all, and they show you how they form. So. Now I'll go to, and I'll read you for tornadoes. This fact, most tornadoes are formed from thunderstorms. It is true and not true at the same time because some people might be thinking like, wait, it forms from thunderstorms? I thought it formed from like warm and cold or dry air. But thunderstorms, they generally carry these types of air. They generally carry moist, warm air and dry and all that. So most tornadoes are formed from thunderstorms. You need warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico and cool, dry air from Canada. When these two air masses meet, they create an instability in the atmosphere, a change in wind direction, and an increase in wind speed. With increasing height, creates an invisible horizon spinning effect in the lower atmosphere. Rising air within the updraft tilts the rotating air from horizontal to vertical, and an area of rotation 2 to 6 miles wide now extends through much of the storm. Most strong and violent tornadoes from within the area of a strong rotation. So, that's how a tornado forms. I'm not going to read all of this, but I'll read some of it. So, warm air together with moisture from the evaporation from the ocean surfaces rises, creating low pressure of the water surface, which is immediately replaced by cool air. This process continues, and the resulting moisture air, laden cool clouds begin to expand. Thunderstorms with rain form. The thunderstorms with rain begin to move slowly to the Midwest. So when they move, as you can see, this is the really big thunderstorm, and it's moving towards the warm, shallow spot right now. and then once it gets in hurricanes, they need warm water to create this circle spinning. Then wind pressure picks up, and it becomes a hurricane. And then the eye of the hurricane, the walls of the eye of the hurricane are the most dangerous part of the hurricane. And so I suppose I could show you this. Where did it go? I'm sorry, I lost it, I think. I wonder where it went.
Miss Sullivan right away.
Oh yeah, it was this video. Let me see.
That's a blank one. And they might be.
So I'm not gonna put on the noise because it's really difficult. So her question is, how do wait, let me see. Her question was, how do tsunamis form? So they're asking kids from school. So, and then he's a person who knows a lot about tsunamis, I guess. And then so he's basically saying right now, like here, I'll skip forward. It's a really good picture. One second. As you can see, this is what a damage of tsunamis can do. So right here, see, this used to be a straight line of sand, but then the tectonic plates underneath the surface of the Earth's crust, those are shifting, and then they're pulling and pulling until finally one cracks, and then so when that cracks, when the tectonic plates crack and one tectonic plate cracks, and then the sandbar right here, or the Earth moves down a couple hundred feet, and then that blows winds up to the waves. Then as you can see, they start creating waves. When it gets shallow water, they start becoming bigger and bigger. Then it smashes on the cities. So that is how a tsunami is formed. And then and then a monsoon. Monsoon is basically kind of like a hurricane, but also so a hurricane is usually caused by but the monsoon is caused by over flooding, and then as you can see, there's a picture of land dropping, and that's because the monsoon is so harsh in this video that it just goes boom and cracks like no other. And then this is a mudslide. And then this, as you can see, this is a picture here. I'll play this. So right now, see that perfect area right there? Now let's skip the mudslide. So did you know mudslides can also be formed from fire? And I'll get to that later. And then right now there's a noise. And as you can see on the picture, the video next to it, rain just keeps on dropping and like a giant thunderstorm on the mud. And the mud becomes really soft and moist, and then it starts sliding down because it's so soft and moist, so watery. It can't hold its place anymore. And then watch this. See that background right there, stuff? That's the mudslide. And that's a mudslide, or either a landslide, most likely to be a mudslide. And those people right there, they were luckily to escape. Mudslides and monsoons, I'll tell you what some similarities are. So that's pretty dangerous to be in any of one of these tropical storms, because these are very dangerous and kill many people each year, and kill many people each time it happens. So some similarities between tornadoes and hurricanes are they both have heavy winds, lots of rain, both very dangerous. Some differences are tornadoes can produce large hail and sleet and can occur almost anywhere, producing lightning, and can form in minutes. Can last a few seconds up to hours, and they form over land. Some differences for hurricanes are they can produce tornadoes, occurs in warm areas, causes floods, forms over warm ocean water. Diameter can be as low as 60 to as high as 1,300 miles. And then some similarities between mudslide and monsoon is that some similarities between both is they both need water to start the natural disaster. They are also both very dangerous and deadly when they occur. Sometimes they may occur without warning. One more similarity is that they both can carry large and break off large pieces of land. And then some differences are that mudslides can be caused by fires and monsoons can't. Also, monsoons are mostly water and mudslides are mostly mud and land. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope you watch other Passion Time videos.